everybody, I'm Andrew Lavagetta here at Eckhart Public Library, making a video to let you know that Dan and Ralph are planning on turning on the fountain today. We'll probably talk with them a little bit later, and you'll hear some information about the fountain, some different things about what it takes to get it going, and we'll be right back. All right, then we're back.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, we got a fountain going. You can't see it right now, but you can hear it. Let's actually turn around. Every now and then, anyway.
Trip and fall is what's going to happen.
There we go. So what do we got? Obviously, the fountain.
Well, we started the fountain today. So our goal, we like to have it running Mother's Day weekend if we can. So after a week or so of preparation and painting and repair and getting water running, today was the day.
Yeah, well, great. And this will be going through
till fall.
Fall, yeah. Awesome.
Whether, unless, something desperate happens, but no, that's the plan.
Yeah.
We'll run it till we shut down in the fall.
Great. Does it take a bit of maintenance to keep this going?
On a regular basis, yeah. Usually about once a week, somebody's got to get in it and clean the goat heads and make sure the water's flowing like it's supposed to. Keeping the water clean is the biggest task.
Great. Well, thanks for that.
You're welcome. Cool.